How to log out your X Twitter account. After signing in into your X account, later you want to log out your X Twitter account. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your X app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and support and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings and privacy. With this selected, you have the option to tap on your account. Make sure to select your account. This will land on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Continue to tap on account information, and under account information you have a list of options. Since we want to log out of our Twitter account, all we have to do is to proceed to tap on logout, and that's it. You have successfully logged out of your X Twitter account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.